Hi there, this is Christy, and in this video, I want to talk to you about digital planners. You might wonder, what is a digital planner? It is a planner that is used on an iPad versus one that is printed out. So it's used virtually with a stylus, like you see with this one right here. They're priced anywhere between $10. I've seen them as much as $41, and they sell daily, and they sell well. And the other thing you want to know about digital planners is that they are the trending wave of the future. See, here's one today that is on sale for $34.74, and it does sell. So the prices are all over the board, but people buy what people want. So they see a particular digital planner style that they can relate to, they will purchase it no matter what the price is. So, with that being said, I have a friend, Michelle, and she teaches how to make digital planners. But not only that, she goes a step further and she provides the template, which I call a pattern. And here is a sample of what it looks like. This is one of Michelle's own digital planners right here. And she gives you a template that has yearly overview, monthly, weekly. It's very similar to the ones that she sold, and she's made over $60,000 in over 3 years selling just her printables and planners on Etsy. So if you want to learn from the best, you learn from someone who's actually doing it. And right here, if you go to the page below, I'll put a link to my newsletter, and then it will redirect to this page where you can see and watch the video. And she tells you a sneak peek of exactly what's included. And here's an example. She goes from this to this, and it's really super cute, super fun. Um, my daughter and I made one at the same time, and I went into Hungry JPEG and bought images, and it was so fun to make it. So if you like to make digital planners, then you will love this template. It also comes with a really good video instruction, and I enjoyed that as much as the template itself, because whenever you have a question, you just go and back and watch the video. So watch the video and do it. Watch the video and do it. And it is as simple as that. And if you're determined, you can make your own digital planner to sell. And the one I made sold within 2 days of me putting it on Etsy. Okay, because I did some research to see what were hot sellers on Etsy with digital planners, and it's as simple as that. So if you want a template plus some really awesome video training, the price is this for now, but depending on when you watch the video, it's going to go up. Okay, because people are loving it, getting results, and they are getting sales. I'm an affiliate for her product, and I proudly suggest that you head on over there and get your own digital planner template. It also comes with my own bonus of 125 templates for Canva. You can use these to advertise your planners, your printables, or whatever it is that you're promoting on Pinterest. You can use these. They're editable within Canva, and I think they're super fun. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you would, please give me a like and subscribe, and I certainly appreciate it. I hope you're having a good day and stay safe. Bye now.